600-watt solar LED streetlight from Larson Electronics is sustainable for outdoor illumination. Equipped with a wireless remote, this eco-friendly solar streetlight can operate for 3 days without sunlight on a full battery charge. The IP67 rated dimmable unit is compatible with pole mounting installations. The solar streetlight features a 100-watt solar panel that is adjustable up to 180 degrees for optimal positioning. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.